month of February is all about love, and we are here to show you simple but effective exercises that you can do with your special someone. Woo! Grabe. Pagod yun, coach.
Pagod nga.
Pero enjoy.
Yes.
Okay? So, guys, ano siya? So, maganda siyang, it's a quick workout, lalo na kung limited lang yung time nyo and also yung equipment nyo. Kasi kung makapansin nyo, talagang katawan lang natin ginamit natin. Okay? So, ginawa natin siya circuit style para medyo may cardio siya. Okay? So, syempre, of course, kailangan natin mag-exercise, lalo na in this time of pandemic. We really need to boost our immune system para tumaas yung resistensya natin.
At hindi ba, mas nakaka-enjoy kapag kasama nyo friend nyo o kaya yung loved one ninyo.
Yun!
Diba?
Dahil dyan. F1.
Nice one.
Good job. Okay.
Ayan.
Sige, so before we, and of course, kailangan natin mag-cool down. Okay, so we need to stretch our muscles para ma-relax siya. Tama, coach?
Yes, tama. Okay, so para rin ma-lessen, okay, so or mabawasan yung sakit ng katawan after natin mag-workout.
Yes.
Diba?
Oh, para hindi kayo bukas. Oh!
Oo, hindi naman masakit sa katawan at saka sasabihin na masakit, parang hindi ako makapasok or what. Pero dapat kasi is nakaka-enjoy lang ito. Okay? So, stretch natin. Tuturuan ko kayo yung mga simple pero effective din na stretching para mabawasan yung pain na nararamdaman nyo.
After workout. Okay, so I think cool down natin. Sige, coach, mag-lead ka na.
So, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So 15 seconds each.
Okay. Next.
Side.
Okay. So, mararamdaman yung stretch dito sa side ng neck nyo. Okay.
Other side, switch.
Kamay, cross ng body, and then ito. So, parang ipupull nyo. Okay? Ito. Okay?
To stretch the shoulders and triceps.
Kabila naman. Ito. Tapos, pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next naman, triceps. Okay, so up. Pangki tayo doon.
Sige. Make sure guys that you pull your triceps dito. Stretch pala, sorry, stretch. Switch arms.
tayo sa lower. Okay, so lower part ng back natin. Okay.
T-shirt.
Slow down.
Forward. Kung kaya guys, touch the floor para ma-stretch pa lalo yung hamstrings.
Okay. Next, dun tayo sa isang side. Okay. Kabilang
Switch
side.
side. Okay.
Okay. Next, dito sa harapan ng legs natin. Okay, so side.
Yan.
Oh. Okay. So balance lang. Okay, balance.
Pull your ankles para ma-stretch to. Quads.
Wala naman. Side.
Side. Okay. Pwede nyo gamitin dalawang kamay para mas lalo nyo ma-stretch. Up. Okay.
Okay.
Next to.
So next. Okay. So pwede dito magkatalikuran na lang natin.
Okay, for balance. Yan, oh.
Balance. And then isang paa. Up. Up.
Hug your knees.
Yan.
Okay, switch.
Next, kabila. Okay. Hindi muna natin sa likod.
Okay. Make sure stable.
Up. Okay.
Okay. That's it.
So, okay ka na ba?
Yes,
Sa
that's
katono?
it. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. So, with your special someone, okay, you can do it with your friends, also with your family. And,
Yeah.
yes, okay, so before anything else, syempre, invite namin kayo dito sa Luneta. Open na po siya guys. Kung gusto nyo mag-exercise, jogging, cycling, so open na po siya. Alright? And of course, bago kayo magpaalam, again, my name is Coach Brent and this is Coach Anesca. We're from Anytime Fitness UN Avenue, guys. We would like to invite you sa aming gym. So, it's Anytime Fitness UN Avenue. You can also look us up at Facebook. Okay, so doon lang kami sa tabi ng Bayview Park Hotel. So, along UN, near Ross Boulevard. Okay? So, daan kayo guys, get your free trial. Okay? So, that's it. And see you at the next Park Moves.